You know you get those people you don't want to hear from. Well, here is how to block a number on an iPhone. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy, and if you want to make sure a spam number or someone you don't want to speak with can't reach you, follow these steps to block them on your iPhone. So easy. If the person you want to block is already saved to your iPhone contacts, open your phone app as if you're going to make a call and go to the contacts. Scroll or search to find the person's name and then tap it. Scroll to the very bottom of their contact page and tap Block This Caller. Tap Block Contact to confirm it, and they will be blocked from calling or texting on this device. You can undo this by tapping Unblock This Caller. If you don't have their number saved in your contacts, follow these steps. If they just called you, tap the I key next to the recent call, and then tap Block This Caller. If they messaged you, tap their number or photo at the top of your message chain with them, and then tap Info. There you can tap Block This Caller. Something to note here for blocking contacts on iPhone. If you also have a Mac or iPad set up to receive text or calls through your iPhone, you will have to block them on those devices as well. For more ways to take back your privacy, head to cyberguy.com. And have you signed up for my free newsletter yet?